All right, time to get the primer down on this board. So I'm gonna mask off as close to the old primer as possible. Oh, dropped the freaking camera off my head. Uh-oh, it broke. Hold on. Jesus, how the hell do I get that? Oh, I see. This guy goes inside there, I think. All right, bear with me as I try to connect this thing.
Up again. So you get for finding the cheapest one on Amazon. All right, try this again. Now, I'm upside down.
What's going on here? Okay, I think that's right. Okay, good thing I caught. All right, start this again. Gonna mask off as close to the old primer as possible. Oh, geez, I gotta point this camera lower so you can see what's going on. Something I have to remember to be aware of. All right, I guess we'll just do that. And I will put a little piece in there, something there, something there. Okay, now get some newspaper on this. Let's flip it over just to make sure. Yeah, see, you gotta be careful of that. You gotta be careful of your taping. There we are. I think I'm gonna start with the bottom. It's gonna be easiest. So my spray is this way, I'm good. Okay, let's get our primer. Do a test. Good. That's it. A little bit. There we are. Perfect. So I'll let that dry, flip the board, do the other side. All right, about 15 minutes have passed. Flip the board, and now we're gonna do the other side. Probably good enough. Get up there. All right, probably put too much on. Let's see how that goes. No runs. Fortunately, no runs. Yeah, I think we're gonna be good. So I'm gonna let that dry overnight, come back tomorrow, sand the edges smooth, and then I'm gonna do the gloss coat of paint. Yeah.